start.
Hi sir, good morning.
So, what is your company name and what are the products you are selling?
So our company name is My Harvest Farms. We are
Okay.
from Chennai. We
Okay.
are selling only organic fruits, vegetables and groceries.
Okay.
Actually, we are delivering throughout the Chennai, sir.
Ah.
We are doing doorstep delivery, sir. If you
Okay.
are outer Chennai means we are doing groceries through courier.
What are the items you are?
So we are having kambu mavu, ragi mavu, all types of seeds,
Okay.
ghee, honey, oils, muduvattukal, and we are also having the muduvattukal as a soup mix.
Okay.
And we are having sweet items, flakes, and organic fruits, vegetables also, sir.
Okay. So, how many years you are cultivating this one? Where is
8
the
years,
farm
sir.
location?
8 years.
Okay.
Yeah, we are procuring from Dindikal, Ooty, Tiruvallur, Theni.
Products you have and how many customers?
We are
you have?
having 280 plus products, and we are procuring from 300 plus farmers.
Okay. Very
Yeah.
good. So, how we can buy in online?
So you can buy through our website, sir. This is our website scanner. You
Okay.
can just scan this scanner and you may get your website.
Okay.
Or else you can type www.myharvestfarms. You can get all our products in that website, sir. Through the website you can place your order.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.